Hello. Welcome to my WordPress tutorial channel. I would like to introduce the newly developed Sign-in Sign-up plugin. Anyone who uses WordPress will need a Sign-up login plugin. After installing it first, I will show you the plugin features and usage. Let's get started. Go to the plugin menu. Click the Add New button and search for WPTOBE Sign-in Up and install it. After installation, click the Activate button to activate it. Go to the Installed Plugin menu. There are 5 tabs. It provides various options that can be configured to suit your website environment. The main function of this plugin is to provide login, sign-up profile functions. If the first thing you do after installing WordPress, you may install a theme. The next step you must do is install a login, sign-up plugin. Because the WordPress default login screen, your website menu and design are all disappeared. It looks like a problematic website for visitors. This plugin is lightweight, fast performance, and the screen design can be easily replaced according to the theme. It has a structure that allows you to create any number of login, membership, and profile pages with your own design. The language can be selected from the selection box at the top. By default, it is set to the WordPress language at the time the plugin is installed. When you want to change the language, after changing to your language in the WordPress setting menu, reset plugin. At the bottom of the Settings tab, supported languages are Korean, English, and Japanese. At first, you need to create a page to show the login or sign up screen. Simply create a page from the WordPress page menu. If you already have a page you are using, you don't need to create it. You can skip this part. I made pages for the name of Sign In, Sign Up, Profile. Just select the page you want to use in each tab. Just do this and you're done with the setup. You can use it right away. It's so easy. After logging out, when you go to the Sign-in, Sign-up page you just set up, you can see the page. Remember, you must check out after logging out, because there is no website that shows the login page again when user logged in. Let me show you a simple process of actually signing up for a visitor and logging in. In this example, I created a page in the name of Welcome. After signing up, I will make it go to this page. As you can see, when membership registration is successful, you are redirected to the Welcome page. In case of login, when login is successful, it basically redirects to the home page. You can change it in settings. Select the new redirection page that is currently home page. Let me show you the function of controlling each field in each form of login, password reset, member registration. You can set to show or hide by clicking the switch button on the left of each field. And you can drag and drop each field to reposition each other. You can edit the title by clicking the Edit button as well. If you change it here, it will be printed in the changed order on the front-end web page. For example, you add a password confirmation field in the Sign Up setting field. Visitors must enter the same password exactly twice when signing up. When the capture field is enabled, a visitor must enter the capture text to register as a member. You specify the page to go to when you log out. Default moves to the home page. In the Settings tab, you can modify system messages depending on the situation during signing up or logging in. The password reset mail content as well. The parts enclosed in square brackets are shortcodes. so you cannot edit them. But you can edit the rest of the content. At the bottom of Settings tab, there is a plugin reset button that I showed you during installation. If you reset the plugin, all previously set pages and messages are initialized. Use only when absolutely necessary. In order to prevent mistakes, the reset button is activated only when reset is entered in the text box. Let me introduce another useful feature, the design style function. You can select a design style on the top right and the default style is the default. When a theme changes or the design of the site changes, you can apply a new style. Let me show you how to create a new style. Go to the plugin folder by FTP. Under the skin folder, there are currently 4 subfolders, each of which becomes a style. Firstly, download the default folder. After downloading, change the folder name. The folder name can only be alphanumeric. Please note that it will not be recognized if you change it to 2 bytes character. Rename the folder and upload it. Each skin folder has 7 files. Design style can be shared among users. Now go to the settings screen and you can see the added style. Let me show you changing the design style according to the theme. After changing the skin to Avada and changing the theme to Avada, if you go back to the sign-in page, you can see that the login screen has been changed to an Avada skin. You can easily change whatever theme you apply. This version of plugin is completely free to use with no functional or time limitation. If you like this plugin, we have a premium version that includes Google and Facebook login functions. The link to purchase is in this video description. From now on, let me show you the Google and Facebook login functions. To use Google Facebook login, you must use the HTTPS. We do not support HTTP website. The first step is to register on the Google and Facebook developer sites. You must be given a client ID and secret code. If you have registered, copy the client ID and secret code. Add the site address to be used in the redirection URI at the bottom of the page. Facebook is similar to Google. Add the site address to the redirect URI, and copy the app ID and app secret. After copying, go to the plugin settings sign-in tab. Find and edit the Continue with Google, Facebook field. If you use the free version and reinstalled the premium version, you have to initialize the plugin once in the Settings tab. Then the Google and Facebook fields will be activated. Click the edit icon to enter and save the ID, secret code, and redirection URI that were previously given. You can do a real login test on the front-end page. Both Google and Facebook logins work fine. If your browser is not currently logged in to Facebook, you will be taken to the Facebook login page. Please subscribe and like. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.